I really love the Art Naturals brand. I found this brand many years ago with their essential oils, and I loved the quality of their oils. I felt like it was something I could really trust diffusing into my home, and that is where I got hooked on the Art Naturals brand. And I don't know how long they've been making chapstick, but I'm thrilled that they are, as I already know these are going to be great. So you get 6 different lip balms. They all have coconut and jojoba and aloe leaf and castor oil in them. And the main ingredient is beeswax. So they have a lot of very hydrating ingredients in them. And I absolutely love this right here, which I can see in the ingredients. I can read all of those. I know what those all are. And I love that it's cruelty-free and made in America. So let's look at all the different ones you get. Here's what the containers are like. This is the mango papaya. And when you twist it, the seal will simply break. Really solid on the inside. Very clean overall. Feels really nice. I definitely feel more hydration than I do with a lot of standard chapsticks. Really, really soothing. I'm definitely smelling more of the papaya in this one. Really lovely scent. We have passion pitaya. I might be saying that wrong. This smells like an extra sweet watermelon. This is eucalyptus mint. Very minty. I can feel the eucalyptus. It almost makes my eyes want to water a little bit. It has that really cleansing smell to it. Grapefruit tonic. I already know I'm gonna love this one. Very mild, but I definitely can smell the grapefruit in it. Really, really smooth. This one's going in my purse. The coconut one is great. It's more mild than I expected, but I would say it's kind of closer to like a pina colada smell. And finally, we have hibiscus blossom. This one's definitely on the sweeter side. I can definitely smell the hibiscus, more of a flowery scent, but very, very nice. I know that these are going to be in all of my bags. Highly recommend.